I just accidentally discovered a cool little hack that pulls out the seal and all the bearings all at once. It's a magnet that I got out of a computer or a DVD player or something. I've got several of them. They all come out of the same machine, whatever they are, but I picked the one that kind of looks like a brake shoe. Just dropped it right on there, and on the other side anyway, it pulled out everything, every bearing and the seal. Of course on this side, in real life it ain't gonna do it, but we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sure once I clean these off I can pull the other 2 out, but anyway, give it a shot. You never know, it may work on your other side too. I was greasing my hubs on my road bike, and man, they were rough. They're really grindy sounding, and I pulled these things apart and there was plenty of grease in there, but the cone and the bearing race are corroded. So what we're going to do is try to resurface that. Take some quick setting epoxy, JB Weld in this case, and I'm going to take 1 square of this gray 3M scuff pad, and I'm going to glue it or adhere it to here. Alright, I'm going to chuck it up in a drill. Oh yeah, let's check it out. Man, it's shining. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That did it. You guys might be able to use that instead of replacing your whole hub. Thanks for watching.